Okay, so let's create an invoice in Zahara and let's see if we can make it appear in Opera. So I come into Zahara, I click on New Invoice. I could drag over a PDF, but I'm going to choose a supplier. I'm going to choose Carter's Limited. I'm going to put an invoice number in. And then when I come down to the line items, we've already set the tax rate for that particular supplier and the nominal code. So these are kind of defaults that come through from Opera. So we'll put in here some stuff for 300 and some other bits for 500. So we've got two line items, same nominal code, same tax rate. We will click next. No workflow, no comments. I'm just going to click next and I'll click create invoice. So the invoice is created. There it is, 383838. We'll now select it for export, which is part of the workflow. We'll hit the export button. So once the invoice is set for export, we get an orange icon down here to tell us that it's set for export. Now, if we come over onto our Opera environment, the first tool we need to look at is something called Smart Sync. So Smart Sync will install on the network and will talk to Zahara and talk to a local database. So these are all the invoices it's processed so far. If we were to click the Run Now button, it effectively, I'm just overriding the kind of polling which takes place every 30 minutes, and I've just asked it to do it kind of immediately. So if I now click on View Pending, we've got Carter's Limited, the invoice that I've created. It's come down. It's now kind of local. It's on the desktop. So now we need to get that into Opera. So there's a separate service that runs, which polls our database and then pushes it over into Opera. So if I just double click that icon there, that will just effectively make it work. So if I now in Opera click processing, it defaults to Carter's. If I go view account, click OK, there's a list of all the transactions. And if we page down, it's quite a lot there. There's our transaction there, 383838 for £960. And if we double click that, we can see the 300 line I created and the 500 line and the VAT and the nominal codes. So that's it. That's us handing the invoices over to Opera. Fairly pain-free. Thanks.